Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ADP for HR reporting linked to LinkedIn hiring. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by preparing your ADP account for integration with LinkedIn. Log into your ADP account using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the settings section of your ADP dashboard. Look for the integrations option in the sidebar menu. Select API access to review your current API settings. If API access is not enabled, follow the prompts to enable it. Take note of your API key and secret, as these will be needed for authentication. Next, head over to your LinkedIn Recruiter account. Log in using your credentials to access the dashboard. Go to the Settings section within LinkedIn Recruiter. Locate and select Integration or Connected Apps. Find the option for connecting to ADP. Click on Add Connection to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter your ADP API key and secret. Input the previously noted API key and secret into the designated fields. Ensure that you double-check for any typographical errors. Once entered, click Authenticate to establish the connection. Wait for confirmation of successful authentication from LinkedIn. After successful authentication, configure the reporting settings. Select the specific HR data you want to pull from ADP. Map the corresponding fields between ADP and LinkedIn. Review the integration settings to verify accuracy. Test the integration by running a sample report. Check for any errors or discrepancies in the report output. If everything is correct, finalize the setup to enable continuous reporting. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure data accuracy and efficiency. Continue by familiarizing yourself with both platforms for any updates or changes. Consistently review your reporting metrics linked to your recruitment process. Following these steps will help ensure smooth authentication of ADP for your HR reporting linked to LinkedIn hiring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.